So hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Sims TR. It's Renee here. So I'm going to be doing a house tour / introducing my Sims. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe and comment which room you like the most. So I just showed you the outside of my house, but this is the inside. So my living room, I just have like my couches and my floor and my walls and a lot of decorations with my cushy couches, as you can tell, and my family photos also in there. And I spent like around 1,000 simoleons on that room. And then here's my kitchen, which is personally my favorite room, but like I said, comment which one you like the most. And in here I just have an island and cabinets. You guys can just view it. Like, I don't know how to give the biggest descriptions, but I spent around 2,000 simoleons. Then here's just my boys' room. It's very basic, but I don't have any oncoming boys, but that is Declan right there. He's one of my kids. I don't have any kids at the time because I moved like all of them out and they all grew up. So yeah, I only have 3 kids at the moment and 2 main Sims. And in here is my parents' room. As you can tell, I did not have room for a bathroom because I wanted to spend it on a girl's room. And I'm almost on Interpretly in Vogue, and that's when I'll add bathroom. And yeah, this is their room. It just includes a sleepy time double. And basically that's all it's really for. Around 500 simoleons, not that much. This is my favorite room, the girls' room. As you can tell, in the girls' room, I have a lot of decorations. It's very pink. The walls are like my favorite part. They're very pretty because light purple is my favorite color. And basically, there's like couches, and I added a decoration from my wedding. And there's a crib in there because we adopted a baby. And yeah, this is basically my whole overview of my house. Comment which room you like the most. Oh, I didn't need to click that. So now I'm going to be doing introducing my Sims like really shortly. So the first one I have is Garibaldi Kardashian. Yes, he has blue hair. Right now, he's just in the girls' room. And he has a love status with Brad. And he only has one trade, pickpocket. Because I just recently got him in last week's video, like yesterday's video. And then my other one, his name is Mackenzie. Can't really see him yet. His name is Mac, and he has 3 children, one which is in the girls' room and is adopted, and then 2 boys. And he is dating Dee, I think her name is, and she has a lot of friends and an ex-wife, which is alright. And she's flirty, ambitious, good, and lucky. I've had him for a while now. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment suggestions. Bye guys.